Hurrah, kids! Did you know ostriches are the largest bird in the world? They can grow as tall as a grown-up human. And they weigh as much as a motorcycle. Baby ostriches are really heavy. They're about 50 times heavier than a baby chicken. Ostriches are super fast runners, as fast as a racehorse. And did you know ostriches don't chew their food? They swallow it whole and use small rocks in their stomach to grind the food up. Download our app.
Okay.
Available on the Apple App Store and Google Play Store.